Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in DieStream's application using your mobile device. To change the language on DieStream, first of all, launch open DieStreams on your device, and once you're in this home page after logging in, click on the hamburger menu at the top left. This will bring up the profile section where you'll need to tap on the gear button at the top right. Now, click on language and you will then be able to see a list of available languages. Select your preferred language and click on OK. Your game will now automatically switch to the new language and it'll also restart. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy DieStream in your chosen language. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more DieStream tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.